And it's time for another Temu haul. It was a longer wait for this package, and it's a little bit more beat up. From what I've read, the courier that Temu uses in Australia is often more of a problem than the Temu sellers themselves. Hopefully the rest of my packages make it to me. Let's find out what I was sent and if it's the same as what I ordered. I can immediately see the first item. Not a sphere, but something that will help me display them. A bunch of stainless steel rings. One of the spheres I bought locally came with a hematite ring for a stand, and these seem a bit more durable version of that, as long as I make sure not to scratch the spheres. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, one's actually in a box. That's different. Lots of little packages. A few ants. We'll start out with the small ones, I think. I was very excited for this one. It's hard to get a bad tiger eye. It has a little patch of ironstone interrupting the shimmer on the side. I don't mind that. I like to be able to see the matrix. Let's see, we'll take another from the front here that's relatively small. Oh, this is a little, I think they're called Nua stones or bamboo jasper. I like this one a lot more than I was expecting. It has a nice gray background. A lot of the ones in the listing were with brown backgrounds. Oh, this one's a nice aragonite sphere. I think I've ordered several of these. This one's amazing, much better than I thought it would be. Like waves crashing on a beach. I think this one was listed as blue flash. And it's not blue like in the listing photos, but it does have a little bit of flash. No fakes or broken stones yet. I haven't noticed any filled in with rock chips. I'll save some of these bigger packages for last. This is one of the first I added to this order. I chose it because the reviewer said that it had more green and blue than other sellers. Does not appear to be the case for me. Next up, even if it's a large one, I'll open the next one I grab. Well, I'm already happy with what I see. Wow. Now that is quite stunning. This is the type of sphere I was hoping for. All these details and vivid colors. What's next? Says right on there, Green Caribbean Stone Ball. Well, it matches the pictures definitely. Oh, that's another winner. Nice. I believe the listing called this Black Phantom Quartz. Got some nice subtle lines in there. What are these little marks here? They're smooth. Oh, there's another box in here. Sure, let's open a box. I'm not immediately sure what this one is. Looks like some type of red agate. I don't mind this rough spot at all, but it is very pitted all over. I don't remember ordering something like this. I guess I'll have to have a look and see what this was supposed to be. I can already see through the torn package what this one is. Oh, nope, never mind. Oh, wow. No, that's definitely not what I thought it was. Oh, wow, I'm happy with that. I ordered one just like this in my last package, and it came nothing like it. So I'm glad this time it's exactly like the listing photos. Strange that it wasn't packaged in as many layers of wrap as the others. Wow, now that is what I would expect from an agate. That is shockingly white. It's very smooth up here, but almost tacky on the white parts. That is an amazing sphere. I wonder if these these dark bits are part of it, kind of metallic. I think there's about 4 orders in this bag, so I'm not sure how many are left. Oh, yep, that's what I thought it was. A little orange sunstone with black banding. And it does have black banding. I was a little bit worried it wouldn't. This bag's feeling pretty light. Just one more. Alright, so that is the bag emptied. And 4 spheres left to unbox. Might do one of the big ones next. Maybe this one in the box. It's been sitting here since the beginning. Oh, this one. I think they called it a green blossom agate. Oh, it's just like the listing. That is amazing. Very impressed with that. What minerals could cause all that to happen? And then there were 3. I think I'll open this one in the middle because I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I remember seeing big piles of this stuff outside rock shops when I was a kid. Some mahogany obsidian. Got a little bit of sparkle all over there. I think it looks much better in sphere form than the big chunks that I remember. And then there were 2. I don't want it to end. Got another order on the way. I have no idea what this could be. Oh, now I do. Another aragonite sphere. I can feel there's a big gap on the other side. It's good to have a bit of contrast between the 2 I have now. And this last one, I have no idea what it could be. I can see a little bit of yellow through the bubble wrap. Oh, it's a septarian sphere. I got a small one of these last order, but they were pretty cheap at the time, so I thought I'd get a large one too. That's a bit suspicious. What's that? Rock chips. I feel like it might be a filled-in spot. I'll have to look at it with the UV lamp. Did I go on a shopping spree? Yes. Do I regret it? No. Can't wait to get a proper display case for all of these. Overall, I'm very happy with this order. I think most of my gambles paid off, and the ones that didn't can just be quietly moved to the back. And a few of them were just amazingly beautiful. Giant gems in their own right. Now for a better look